LeadsLeap is an all-in-one marketing platform designed to help online businesses grow. It offers a suite of tools for traffic generation, list building, and even monetization. For content creators, it presents a unique opportunity to expand reach and build a dedicated audience. One of LeadsLeap's core strengths is its traffic exchange network. You can promote your videos, articles, or landing pages to a highly engaged community. This allows you to gain visibility and attract new viewers to your content. The platform also features a robust ad network. You can display your ads across various member sites, ensuring your message reaches a broader audience. This is an effective way to drive consistent traffic back to your content channels. LeadsLeap provides a powerful autoresponder service, allowing you to build and manage your email list. This is crucial for nurturing your audience and keeping them informed about new content. You can send out newsletters, updates, and exclusive offers directly to your subscribers. Their drag-and-drop page builder simplifies the creation of professional landing pages. These pages are perfect for capturing leads, promoting specific videos, or offering lead magnets. Building a strong email list is key to long-term content success. The platform includes a comprehensive link tracker, which is invaluable for analyzing your campaigns. You can monitor clicks, conversions, and traffic sources to optimize your promotional efforts. This data-driven approach helps refine your content strategy. LeadsLeap also offers a review system for products and services. As a content creator, you can leverage this to build trust and credibility within the community. Sharing honest reviews can also attract new followers interested in your niche. Beyond traffic and list building, LeadsLeap offers monetization avenues. You can earn credits by viewing ads, which can then be used to promote your own content. This creates a self-sustaining ecosystem for promotion. The platform also has an attractive affiliate program. By referring others to a LeadsLeap, you can earn commissions, adding another income stream to your content creation business. This allows you to monetize your network while helping others grow. LeadsLeap empowers content creators by providing the tools needed to reach a wider audience. It helps you build a loyal community and track your progress effectively. Integrating LeadsLeap into your strategy can significantly boost your online presence. It's a comprehensive solution that addresses multiple aspects of online marketing. From driving initial traffic to nurturing leads and even earning revenue, LeadsLeap supports your growth journey. Explore its features to unlock new possibilities for your content.